Using a Moneylion Credit Builder loan is a great way to establish or improve your credit score while accessing funds for various needs. To get started, you need to sign up for a Moneylion account and apply for the Credit Builder loan. The application process typically involves providing personal and financial information to determine your eligibility and loan terms. Once approved, you will receive the loan amount minus the interest that has accrued over the loan term. As the interest is paid at the end of the loan term, it is essential to make on-time payments, as this will be reported to the credit bureaus, helping you build a positive credit history. To make the most out of the Moneylion Credit Builder loan, it is crucial to understand the repayment terms and schedule. The loan is typically repaid in installments over a set period, and you can choose to repay the loan early without any penalties. Making timely payments and keeping track of your repayment schedule will help you avoid late fees and negative credit reporting. Another key aspect of using the Moneylion Credit Builder loan is monitoring your credit score. Moneylion provides its users with free credit monitoring, allowing you to track your credit score and receive alerts when changes occur. By keeping an eye on your credit score, you can identify areas for improvement and make adjustments to your credit habits accordingly. In addition to the Credit Builder loan, Moneylion offers various financial tools and resources to help you manage your finances effectively. These tools include budgeting apps, financial education, and investment opportunities. By utilizing these resources, you can gain a better understanding of your financial situation and make informed decisions about your money. To maximize the benefits of the Moneylion Credit Builder loan, it is recommended to make regular payments, keep your credit utilization ratio low, and avoid applying for multiple credit products simultaneously. By following these best practices and using the loan responsibly, you can improve your credit score and achieve your long-term financial goals. Overall, the Moneylion Credit Builder loan is a valuable tool for building credit and accessing funds when needed. By understanding the application process, repayment terms, and credit monitoring features, you can use the loan effectively and make progress towards a healthier financial future.